talk in glances, not in words. Your silence sings the sweetest verse. Every heartbeat tells me more than any voice I've heard before. The world fades out, it's just us two. Quiet love, loud and true. Love without a sound still echoes deep in the hush of night. In dreams we keep, no need to speak. Your eyes confide, our souls collide where words can't hide. The air between us softly sways, unspoken truths in gentle waves. Every sigh a melody in silent love. You're all I see. No need for phrases, no need to try. Our hearts already know the why. Even in the quiet, I can feel this wordless love that's so